First 2 weeks they're in the classroom, and that's where they get their permit and they learn the basic pre-trip and things like that. Then on their third week they come out to the range, then they do their skills and their drive. Our instructors are thorough, and if someone's having a problem, they'll really engage and give like a one-on-one thing to help them understand. And really the main thing is that students help themselves. Just by watching helps them learn too. So it's really 90% visual and 10% on hand.
Because you actually get to see hands-on everything that people do. You see what the drivers go through. You see the skill set that you need to learn to become a better driver. And when you learn it and you put your whole into it, like just give it 100%, the knowledge that you can gain can help you in any field, anything that you do in your life.
The instructors here are great. They make sure that you're understanding. They're very patient, and they help you to make sure that you're on the right track.
It's enjoyable for me to pass my knowledge on to someone. Just little things to help them to take with them. And we always give them like our phone numbers in case they have a question. If they ever need help, they can call. We still help them even after they graduate.